What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for you guys on Propellerads and just give you some tips and a lot of other stuff or whatnot, because a lot of people hit me up about this video right here. And this video was beautifully done. Like, this video was absolutely amazing. I even started binge watching some of his videos or whatnot. Dude did fantastic. This was some really good videos. But the only thing that, sucks that he didn't mention in this video is that if you are running on Propellerads, you need a decent sized budget. There's really no way around this. And the way he had it set up basically is that he went and put $100 in, and then he spent $17 and had a campaign that did 600% ROI. Is that possible? Absolutely. Obviously, dude just did it. But for every single person, that's not how it's going to go. Not even close, because a lot of people, can't afford to go get tracking software. And if you're not in a network, that has all your stuff laid out for you here. So if you see like over here on the Oryx network, you got your top browser right here with all the leads that's right next to it. Then you got, your top OS and all that. So you can just build out a campaign right here. So like if we okay, our top browser, Chrome, so we know to run everything on the Chrome browser with Windows 10, on desktop in the United States. And then let's say like New York New York is a top one, but let's say we have more data here and New York. So that's what our whole campaign right there. Build it out in a couple of seconds. But in a lot of other networks, it's nowhere near laid out and as fancy as this is right here. So if you don't have tracking software, you're pretty much just SOL. You're just throwing stuff up in the air and hoping it works. And then a lot of people, they are running all their traffic from all their campaigns to just directly to the offer. They're not even doing something like putting the sub IDs in. So if you can't afford to get tracking software, guys, use your sub ID. So let's say this is image one, I don't know, placement, 2 or 3, and I don't know, on Facebook. I don't know, I'm just trying to make some shit up here, guys. And you just click apply sub ID. So anytime you get a conversion, this sub ID is going to be at the end of this now, right? So when it says sub ID, it's going to show up here in your stats logs or your lead logs. It'll show up right here. So you see right here, when this one completed, this was a conversion, dirt with banner, right? And you guys can see exactly where that came from. So definitely make sure you start using your sub IDs, guys, so you know exactly where all your conversions and stuff are coming from. So this is the results from running over on Propellerads. 449 clicks and 2 conversions. 449 clicks, only 2 conversions. Now that's perfectly normal. Over here again, this is all brand. If you're a veteran on the channel, you guys already know that. We spend thousands upon thousands of dollars on these campaigns to get good data and all that stuff. To home in on those campaigns that are working. But this is normally what your campaigns are going to look like when you run over on Propellerads or pretty much any network that gets its traffic from other networks and stuff. I mean, not other networks, but other like little websites, because a lot of people just have legit just fake ass traffic where bots just come and click on the ads over and over and over so they can keep making money. That's good for them because they're making good money, but it's horrible for you because you're the one paying out that money, right? And then Propellerads, I don't care. Like, I mean, that's just part of the game. Oh, this is part of the game, Like, if you get 1,000, like, let's say 449 clicks, that's what we got. If we had got that over on Facebook, that was literally thousands of dollars, depending on what we were running. If let's say we were running this little offer right here, let's say at the bare minimum, that would have been like $100, right? Or something low, like 50, 60 bucks, right? But 449 bucks, and we spent almost like $40 or whatever. So 100 and we only got 82 bucks back. I mean, I said 82, $1.82 back. That's normally what's going to happen if you run on these type of platforms. I mean, that's just what it is. Now, and again, I'm not throwing shade to my guy over here by any means. This video was beautifully done. But if you follow this and you are a brand new person and you don't have tracking software and you are expecting to put in $100 and get a campaign that's going to do 600% ROI or even 300 or even 200% on Propellerads, you done lost your damn mind. But yeah, guys, I wanted to make this video to give you some, to ground you a little bit, or give you some realistic expectations. Because again, you're gonna have anomalies like that, where somebody comes out and completely kills it. They just crush the game. Come out and hit 600%. You can do that on Facebook pretty easily. You can do that, with domain traffic. You can do that with not Instagram, but influencer traffic, stupid easy as well. If you guys aren't doing influencer traffic, I don't know, you're just missing out. You can, especially on Instagram, hit the stories, guys. Easy. Pay $15, be on the story for like 12 hours, get like a couple hundred clicks. Easy money, guys. But I'll talk about something like that in the next video, whatever. But yeah, guys, I just want to talk about that and let you guys know to have realistic expectations and do not just, dive into stuff like that. Because if you have followed that video, and again, I'm not throwing shade by any means. This is directed only towards newbies, because a newbie person is going to get all hyped up, geeked up, go put their last or, their $100 inside Propellerads and then go buy the bot traffic here or whatnot. I mean, not traffic, but, the bot little thing here. And they're going to spend another $65 for this or $70, however much it was. I forgot how much I paid for it. But, you're going to buy that and then you're basically just going to be like, you're going to be asked out. You're just going to feel like you lost $200. Like, man, I could have took that $200 and did this with it. I could have took $200 and did that with it. And then you're going to give up and you're going to quit. And I don't want to see people quit. I don't want to see people sitting at a job for the next 40 years. Your boy has been job free for 4 years now. House bought in cash, 10 days, Google Trends. Car bought, 4 days. House 10 days, Camaro 4 days. Cash. That was Google. That was CPA marketing. CPA marketing is absolutely amazing. I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on CPA marketing, but you also want to have realistic expectations. Do not expect to go to Propellerads, put in $100, and get a campaign that does 600% ROI right out the gate. Like, even on Facebook, that shit doesn't happen like that. You got to really know what you're doing. You got to do testing, the whole 9 yards. So just wanted to come out here, let you guys know, pull you back to reality just a little bit. I know some people are like, oh, you just hate him. Not in the slightest, right? I'm just here to help other people make money, and I don't want you guys to go over to Propellerads, throw your money away, and just feel like you just lost all your goddamn money. Like, you should not be trying to run any type of, Propellerads if you don't have at the bare minimum $500, and that's on a low end, and have your cloaker, but your damn tracker all set up. Right? Those are the bare minimum that you should have. All right, but again, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. I'm actually going to start a brand new series, guys, where we're going to go through and we're just going to go to people's YouTube channels and just, do the method that they say that's going to make all this money or make a decent amount of money or whatever it may be. We're going to go there, follow it, do everything they say to the T, and just see how much money we get back. If you guys want to see a certain video, put it in the comment section down below.